Good day, everyone. This is my 10th video and part 2 video for the celebration of the World Teachers Day. I am so grateful for their time and effort of giving messages to our dear Kalayaan National High School teachers. From the title itself, this video is all about our great teachers who motivate us and engage us in the learning progress. Hashtag salute to all the teachers in the world, and we need to listen and inspirational messages from our previous SSG presidents who surmount their respective field. Take note, boses nila ay mahalaga dahil sila ang bunga sa bawat hirap at saya, aral at pag-asa, sipag at pagpupunyagi for us to share our learnings to them. Remember, according to Ralph Waldo Emerson, do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there's no path and leave a trail. And take note, this one is also connected with Robert Frost's poem entitled The Road Not Taken, which adheres the readers to think about the choices in life, their decisions, and of course, whether they go with the mainstream or go it alone. Mostly, teachers exhibit these 5 habits of an effective teacher. I will share it with you again today. The basic reminders why we are in this field. The first one, of course, we need to enjoy teaching. It defines your excitement, both in your lesson and how you engage with your students. Always think that your students also is delighted with your presence. And the next one is you need to spread positivity. One way of doing this is to smile, right? Simple smile. Seeing you in the webcam smiling, that is the initial point of building your relationship. The other one is applying the WOD, the word of the day, showing positivity. The third one is makes difference. If you hit your objective for the day and there is better result in terms of your daily task or assessment, I think panalo na yun. Asking students simple things and acknowledge their effort, saying, good job, nice work. Alam mo yun? Alam kong na-appreciate na nila yun. Okay? And then, the fourth one is, you need to find inspiration. So, if you are teaching literary selection, laging pasok ito. So, it's like transferring our learning. Either it is in the concept related or inquiry related or learner or utilization related, which is showing how people can use or proceed with them to the real life situations. And the last one, of course, we need to embrace change. Well, change is the only constant in life, according to Heraclitus. And according to Jack Canfield of Chicken Soup for the Soul, right, and Mark Hansen, change asks you to, the first one, learn new things. The second one, you need to master new things. And the third one, you need to develop new qualities like flexibility, optimism, courage, and persistence, all of which ultimately result in your becoming a better, more capable, person or teacher. All that's a good thing. Talking about inspiration, this young blood give us inspiring message. And of course, to all the KNHS teachers. And he always elucidate charisma and hard work. He also brave enough to focus with his studies Together with this work, let us all welcome the former SSG President School Year 2016-2017 through his conversation with Carl Brian Binyes. Roll VTR.
Before I say thank you, I want to emphasize those precious times where it could have been a moment of a mother and her child, or a family having a simple dinner together. For I saw most of them, selflessly extending their lives, grasping with markers in white thick papers in front of their computers. These things left me in awe, I wonder, on how these masters can live two lives, yet achieving the goal of proficiency in different philosophies. And what I mean are off hours, and these are day and night. I also want to give an excessive gratitude to those voices, which some are modulated, silvery, and sometimes wobbly. Though tonality is just a part of their so-called good sacrifice, who uprise the innocence, like me, and, the ignorance, like me as well. They say that for you to have higher regards for someone, you must have great respect and admiration for that person. But in my case, it's not just one person, but the whole Kalayaan National High School. Students, teachers, the principal herself, the janitors, everyone. They've earned every trust that they can. So you should feel all gratified for all your hard work and endless sacrifice. My name is Carl Brian A. Binyes, and for those who don't know me, I am an alumni of class 2017, and I am proud to be of service as a president of the Student Council, school year 2016-2017. I would like to thank Mr. Leo Solihon for, bringing me into this humbling situation to reconnect with you guys, my co-students in Kalayaan National High School. You see, our teachers talks like most of their time. They talk, they explain, they reconcile, and these voices are not just I don't pertain to just explaining or the lessons, but the hardships of the teachers striving for going to work and surviving the day with these type of students. You see, I am listing one by one the observations. So I want you guys to contemplate on your situation right now. Where are you right now as a student? Where's your respect to our heroes? Where's our integrity as students? I realize that as time goes by, how much time they invested with their noble profession. Just by teaching us, going to school, waking up early, not to mention where they're coming from. So, personally, as I grow older, it gives me this kind of guilt feeling that, the things that, those childish things, the immature things that I've done before. These teachers, these heroes that extend their time just to check our papers and just to do their job. So, to my fellow students, I am a working student right now, and I want you to know that the punctuality, this type of personality, will bring you somewhere up there, even in school, your job, or everywhere. So as much as our teachers value, their time for us, let's do the same for them.
Thank you, Carl Binyas. Leaders cannot work in a vacuum. They may take on larger or seemingly more important roles in an organization, but this does not exclude them from asking for and using feedback. In fact, a leader arguably needs feedback more than anyone else. It what help a learner respond appropriately to the events in the pursuit of successful outcomes, according to Jack Canfield. The next one who gives a thank you message is our SSG President, school year 2012-2013, and she is also a little mayor in the year 2012 and crowned Miss Teen Tourism Philippines 2013 live at the Merville, Philippines, Miss Jubilene Villantes.
Hello po! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng guro ng Kalayaan National High School para po sa lahat ng pagmamahal at patuloy na pagsasakripisyo para po sa lahat ng estudyante. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa tatlong guro na nagkaroon ng malaking bahagi sa aking buhay, kay Mr. Eduardo Benlota para po sa lahat ng masasayang experience kasama ang Teatro Lumad Malaya, Mr. Giovanni Rex Tisurita para po sa lahat ng pagtsatsaga at pagtitiwala during my training days for Mr. and Miss Teen Tourism Philippines, and kay Mrs. Rosel Abiad para po sa lahat ng lakas ng loob at tapang na ibinahagi niyo sa akin. Muli po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Tunay po kayong mga bayaning. Happy Teacher's Day!
Thank you, Jubilene. Being a leader has many roles to play. So one role is that of incubating talent. The other one is that being strategist, according to Kumar Birla. The next one is this young lad believes with John Maxwell that leadership is not about titles or positions or flowcharts. It is about one life influencing another. The ability to lead through influence rather than authority. It is the most important quality of a great leader. And now, he is live in Parañaque to give us heart-trending message. Our former SSG President, school year 2017-2018, Mr. Emerson T. Waques.
Hello everyone, I am Emerson T. Waques, currently studying at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Mabini Campus. Third year, computer science student. Isa rin po akong Supreme Student Government President batch 2017 to 2018. Nagpapasalamat po ako dahil sa ating mga guro, lalong-lalo na po sa mga guro ng Kalayaan National High School na kung saan sila po yung nagturo sa akin ng mga kaalaman ng mga tamang ugali. Kaya po narating ko po itong itong katayuan ko po ngayon. Hindi ko po makakalimutan yung mga panahon na nasa high school ako na kasama ko sila, yung mga ating mga guro, na tumawa sa pagkapanalo sa mga contest, pagkalungkot sa mga pagkatalo, kasama sa paghihirap ng pagpapractice, kasama sa lahat ng kalokohan, kasama sa kainan, kasama sa mga problema, lalong-lalo na sa academics. Isa sa mga natutunan ko sa Kalayaan National High School is kung paanong mag-alaga. Natuto ko kung paanong mag-alaga ng mga lower batch, kung paano ka dapat mag-alaga ng isang grupo, kung paano ka dapat magmahal sa bawat isa under sa'yo. Lahat yun natutunan ko. And dahil doon is na-apply ko siya dito sa community namin. Naging isa po akong zone coordinator na kung saan ako po yung mga nagmamanage sa aming mga youth para mas mapalapit po sila sa Diyos. Na-apply ko po doon yung mga natutunan ko sa ating mga guro. Yung mga values na lagi nilang pinapaalala, yung mga panahong pinapagalitan nila ako sa mga pagkakamali ko, kung paano po nila ako minahal, nakita ko po yun. At ngayon po na ipapasa ko kung paano rin magmahal sa iba, kung paano po mag-alaga sila, natutunan ko rin po yun. Kaya natuto rin po akong mag-alaga ng ibang kabataan. Hindi lang sentro ng kaalaman itong ating paaralan, itong ating Kalayaan National High School, kundi isang sentro rin ng mga estudyante, ng mga guro na puno ng pagmamahalan at pag-aaruga sa bawat isa. Muli, ako po si Emerson T. Wakes. Binabati ko po kayo ng Happy Teacher's Day. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kayo po ang bagong bayani ng ating mga kabataan.
Thank you, Emerson. A leader is the one who can outline the broad vision and direction. This is very evident to our UP alumni. According to Harry Ecker, the founder of Success, the bottom line is that if you become a master at handling problems and overcoming obstacles, what can stop you from success? The answer is nothing. And if nothing can stop you, you become unstoppable. Let us all welcome our former SSG President school year 2011-2012 and became a little mayor in the year 2011. She is a Pulsci graduate, cum laude at UP Diliman, and now a Juris Doctor in Ateneo Law School. May nanalo na, Miss Eunice Malayo.
A huge part of who I am as a person has been shaped by Kalayaan National High School. The school, its teachers, the staff, the cleaners, the guards, everyone. They created an environment where it is conducive for students like me to learn, to know ourselves better, to understand and explore life, and to flourish into better and decent persons. To me, Kalayaan National High School was more than just a school. It was a community. It was a family. And in the heart of that family is the teachers. Ang pinaka-grateful talaga ako for the teachers is the fact that they trusted me, that they believed in me that I can do and achieve whatever it is that I want in life. And you know, for teenagers, for high schoolers, for children, it's really not difficult to dream. Madaling mangarap na maging police, maging teacher, maging lawyer, maging doktor. But at that age, at that critical point in our lives, what is difficult to find is people who believes in you, who trusts you that whatever it is that you're dreaming, you can achieve it and you can be that person. And I'm so thankful that I found that from each and every teacher of Kalayaan National High School. You know, it has been more than 10 years since the teacher started to believe in me. But until now, it powers me through life. Whatever hardships it is that I'm facing, I can overcome that and reach my dreams because I have my teachers behind me, cheering on me. So I'm very, very thankful for that. And, you know, yung mga lessons, yung mga school curriculum, you can find that anywhere. You can find it in other schools because it's standardized. But teachers who are believing in you, who trust you, and who genuinely care for you, that's gold. That's difficult to find. I don't think mahanap mo yun sa ibang school. And I'm very, very grateful that the teachers in Kalayaan National High School are like that. And I am so blessed to have experienced that. So maraming salamat po.
Grabe. Wow! It is Cloud9. Napakahusay. Napakagaling nila, right? You know what? It is Cloud9. It's a bliss, elation, or happiness. Napakagaling, napakahusay. Their success is also the KNHL success. God bless everyone. Always strive for excellence. Thank you once again to Mr. Carl Biñas, to Emerson Tiwaques, to Jibilin Villantes, and of course to Miss Eunice Malayo. I'm always, and KNHS, always proud of you guys, right? Ang napakahusay, ang galing. So keep up the good work. Laging nandito lang yung kalayaan sa inyo, and of course, salute for your success. Welcome to the Shoutout Sharing Board! Parang ang saya kasi natapos ko yung video na to. So sobrang daming pinagkakaabalahan. So still, na-insert ko to at natapos ko to. Thank you to Mr. Kenneth Lapore for sharing the part 1 of this video. Kasama si Sharina Kayla Sacares. Thank you, Nak. I salute you for that. And our guest dun sa part 1, our previous or former SSG presidents, Miss Katrina Sacares, Nak, thank you. Mr. Scott Noguera, Miss Nicole Enriquez, and of course, Mr. George Michael Tuyay. Thank you so much. This is Leo T. Sulihon saying, wait lang. To my 900 subscribers, thank you so much ha. Ito para sa inyong lahat. Palakpak! Woo! Sobrang natuwa ako doon kasi nga, alam niyo yun, mag 2 months pa lang tong YouTube na to tapos biglang na ganun nakakadami. Akala mo talaga sobrang dami. Pero alam mo yun, ang hirap kayo mag-reach ng ganun. So, I appreciate for that. Thank you so much. So, yung hindi pa, please subscribe and then share my video kasi natutuwa ako. So, natutuwa din kayo sa mga videos na ginawa ko and I appreciate yung sa mga nag-effort for that. So, don't worry, magawa pa rin ako ng video pag natutuwa pa rin kayo at lagi kayong nanonood. Again, this is Leo T. Leon saying, do not forget to smile and pray to complete your day. Thank you. Keep safe, everyone. God bless. See you all. And of course, alam nyo na, subscribe din pag may time. God bless.